Hello, this is Susan Poss. I had a question today from a student named Milliscent coming out of Chapter 12, dealing with order of operations and exponents and combining like terms. So the problem looked like this. So you can see there's some brackets and some parentheses to deal with. So a couple of important things here. I want you to see the distributive property here where we're going to be multiplying the value that sits out in front of the parentheses. We're going to multiply everything inside the parentheses by that value. So that's going to be the first step that you see me complete. So using the exponent rule, when you multiply like bases, you add the exponents. So this becomes a squared. Remember, this is 1 times 1 is 1, and a to the first times a to the first is a to the 1 plus 1, which is a squared. The second multiplication will give us positive 5a. I'm going to keep this plus, keep this bracket, keep this 4a, and now distribute the negative a over the parentheses. And again, just hold on to the bracket. So be careful with the signs here. This is a positive 7 multiplied by a negative a, and this is a positive 8 also multiplied by negative a. So you see I got negative results there for each of those multiplications. All right, so looking now to the bracket, the only thing that's sitting in front of the bracket, the only thing it looks like I need to do, well, wait a minute, hold on, let me back up. I do see some things I could do inside the bracket. So I'm noticing this positive 4a and this negative 7a. Those are both first degree a's. So I'm going to go ahead and combine those inside the bracket. Now I'll deal with the bracket. So the only thing sitting out in front of the bracket is this plus sign. You can think of this as a +1 multiplier into the bracket, which of course is not going to change any of the signs. So this is going to still be a negative 3a, and this is still going to be a negative 8a squared. All right, so finally now I think I'm ready. Here's a positive 1a squared and a negative 8a squared, so positive and negative we subtract and carry the sign of the larger absolute value. And then dealing with this positive 5a and this negative 3a, those are like terms, and those are going to combine to give me a positive 2a. And you're going to, I don't know why I put that equals mark there, you're going to stop right here because these terms are now not alike. One is a second degree, one is a first degree. They cannot be combined. So we will stop right there, and I hope that helps, Millicent.